Hi, my name is Max from Arani. Today I'm going to show you how to set up our CCT variable panels with a remote control, and remote control is fully wireless with two AAA batteries. And for this, the first thing that you need to do is turn off the panels. You turn off the panels, so you can see on the remote control you have the ID button. So this ID identifies this remote to these panels. So you press it down and you turn on the panels. See they blinking? So when it happens like that, it means that this remote is identified to these panels. So then you can change the colors and you can dim it up and down. With this also you can dim it like very smoothly down, very smoothly up, and like change the colors and turn them on and off. So this is very easy step, nothing complicated, and everything is done. For this, you can, if you have a switch on the wall, you can turn them on and off with the switch, or for the first time, you can use your electrical panel to turn them off and on for the first time, and everything would be done from now. So now, if you want to use the same remote, but you want to actually choose between zones. On the remote, you have 4 zones, so you can, if you have 4 rooms, you can use only one remote. So how to do that? I keep this one, actually I will turn both of them on, and I'll put this one in zone 1 and put this one in zone 2 so that we can see. So I turn them off, I keep the ID button and turn this one on. So it means that this one is identified to that one, as you can see. Then I'm going to do the same by pressing the number 1, so that I put this one in zone 1. I turn him off, pressing number 1 and on. I keep pressing so that you see the blink. And you see the blink means that this one is in zone 1. So I turn this off, I do it with the exact same thing with this one, but in zone 2. So I press ID. So this one is identified, turn it off. I press number 2, and I keep pressing till I see the blink. Now this one is zone 2, this one is zone 1. So if I turn both of them on, you'll see. If I press 1, I can change the color temperature or dim it up and down, and it works with this one. I'll just bring it up, and this one is zone 2. So I press 2 to choose the zone, or the room, and then I can control this. As easy as that. Dimming, changing color temperature, and everything like that. So that is the whole thing. If you have any questions, you can call us, or you can actually visit our website. It's www.arani.ca, and we will help you with that. Thank you.